Hey, it's Sammy, February 26th. This is our third trade. All of our data has flipped over now to where we are short on momentum. Our sentiment is dropping really quickly, so we're entering the trade as we come through the 38.2 Fibonacci level, and we're going to do a floor trade and lock down at the low of day tracer right where that support gray box is. Now we've got our stop loss set to break even plus 25. We are trailing our stop loss down to just above the 23.6 Fibonacci level. And we end up locking 600 pips as this trade pulls back. If you're ready to take safe trades and win consistently, schedule a call and we'll walk you through this process.